In this video, we'll be talking about the top 5 affiliate websites for earning extra money online. These websites are perfect for people who are looking for flexible, part-time or full-time income streams. So let's get started. Amazon is one of the biggest e-commerce websites in the world. The Amazon affiliate program allows you to promote their products and earn commissions on each sale. You can promote any product on Amazon, including books, electronics, clothing, and more. The commission ranges from 1 to 10% depending on the product category. ClickBank is an online marketplace that specializes in digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and software. The commission rate can range from 1 to 75%, and they offer a wide variety of products to promote. One of the great things about ClickBank is that they have a two-tier commission system, meaning you can also earn commissions from affiliates you refer. Share a Sale is a network of over 4,000 merchants and offer a wide variety of products including clothing, electronics, beauty products, and more. Commission rates can range from 5 to 50%, and they offer a great tracking system to help you monitor your earnings. Warrior Plus is a platform for digital marketers and online entrepreneurs. It provides a marketplace where vendors can sell their products and affiliate can promote those products to earn commissions. The platform is focused on digital products such as ebooks, software, and online courses. And the products cover a wide range of niches including business, marketing, health, and personal development. And this is one of the networks where I have earned most of my online income from. Rakuten Marketing is a global affiliate network that offers a wide range of products including clothing, electronics, travel, and much more. Commission rates can range from 1 to 10%, and they offer a great support system to help you succeed. They also offer a powerful tracking system that allows you to see your earnings in real time. So these are the top 5 affiliate websites for earning extra money online, whether you're looking for a part-time income or a full-time income. And these websites can help you achieve your financial goals. So sign up today and start earning. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments down below and I'll personally get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content.